Why do 90% of beginners struggle with cryptocurrency? Because they jump in without a guide. Let's change that. First things first, choose the right cryptocurrency. For those just starting out, Ethereum and Litecoin might be easier to handle than the formidable Bitcoin. Next up, pick a mining platform that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. NiceHash, MinerGate, or Cryptex are your go-to options for a smooth start. Got your platform? Great. Now download and install the mining software. They usually come with a simple setup guide to help you through the process. Flying solo in mining can be tough. Join a mining pool like Ethermine or Slushpool to combine resources and boost your odds. Don't forget a wallet. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet with MetaMask or Exodus to keep those mined coins safe. Keep an eye on your mining performance. Most platforms offer tools to track your hash rate and earnings, making your mining journey transparent and under control. And that's it. You're all set to start mining cryptocurrency. Remember, the key ingredients are research, patience, and consistency. Happy mining. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow crypto tips.